Hi, I'm Enrique, globally known as Professor Enrique Ferraz. Today I'll be revealing to you how I became a YouTube millionaire and creating over 20,000 songs in the space of 9 months. After my researches, I realized that the person with the highest number of songs is an Indian with 11,000 songs. So for the last 9 months, I've put in deep effort by writing and producing 20,000 songs. So I'm on a journey to break the Guinness World Record of the most generated AI music produced by one artist. In the past 9 months, some of these tracks on YouTube has been able to generate $10,000. And as a Nigerian, $1,000 should be about $1 million plus. So the millionaire status is well earned. But the aim is to be a billionaire. We've been millionaires for too long. The contents of this video are strictly for educational purposes, as I'm responsible for what I say, while you're responsible for what you understand. Make sure you stay to the end of this lecture, as I'll be giving you proof on the amount made, so as to motivate you, teaching you how you can turn pain into power. We are in the world whereby technology is moving, and if you do not move with technology, technology will move without you. So this time of AI, I'll be teaching you how to use chatgpt to change your life. For me, it was only but a dream. But with pain, dedication, and sleepless nights, I can categorically tell you that it's been a successful journey. Now, first and foremost, this lecture is going to be more of theoretical. I'll just be giving you tips. The practical aspect of it is where I put in the work so as to earn revenue. The intent of this video, the purpose of my content moving forward is strictly to make money. I'm a very shy person. I will not, I repeat, I will not put my face online if not for the sake of money. Today I'm a father, I got responsibilities. So I'll be teaching you how to use chatgpt to be able to generate your lyrics. I'll tell you the apps to make you create bangers. I create hit by hit every day. I maximize the minimum production of 50 songs per day with the help of AI. As an artist, you know how difficult it is. The cost of production, writers, producers, mixers, studio section, the stress. But all this has been made possible and easy with the help of intelligence artificial. So today I want to motivate you. The first step will be creating a YouTube channel. I know you could want to be an influencer. There's Instagram, there's TikTok and Facebook. But when your aim is revenue, when your purpose is money, it should be YouTube. Unless you're a business person that has product to sell. But first and foremost, we'll be targeting YouTube revenue. First, you will need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be monetized on YouTube. It's a very easy something. I can get your channel monetized in less than 1 month. I generate 4,000 hours in less than 1 week on one of my faceless channels. You get? Now you use chatgpt to create your lyrics. The app which you will use in generating the music can be able to separate your stems, your vocals from your instrumentals. It doesn't necessarily have to be a complete project done by AI. And I also want you to know that AI is not here to replace human production, but rather to facilitate, enhance, and make it easier. As an indie artist, and the kind of inspiration I have, I just told you I create 50 songs per day. Then imagine how much it's going to cost me to be able to write all of them, produce, send to my producer, and all those hassles. The songs I'm telling you are streaming on Spotify. They are selling on Amazon. All you have to do is just type Professor Enrique Ferraz on Google and you'll be amazed at the massive content I've put out. Just on my YouTube channel this year alone, I've produced more than 1,500 videos. So money no dey fall from heaven. You have to put in the work. Now, how do you create bangers? That is where the genius comes in. The structure of your music, the structure of your lyrics will determine the best production, the best way AI will be able to interpret the output. During this period, I have as well signed a lucrative blanket deal with TikTok. I'm a TikTok artist. So the more you use my song, the more viral you go and the more revenue I earn. So it's a win-win parole for you. And if you are interested in having a customized song for your weddings, for your bar, for your parties, you are the right spot. And if you need inspirations on your lyrics, you're one DM away from being the next viral banger creator. I spend most of my time hustling, creating music, but I have this urge. It's taken such a long time for me to bring myself to make this video. I had to speak to some people first because I'm a very shy person. I like background things, you understand? But my mom told me that you don't light a candle and put it under the table. You put it on the lampstand so you can shine for all the world to see. So it's high time I bring my intellectual property in the public space. I don't know who I could help because everything I know I learned on the internet. So I'm trying to give back to the community. According to statistics on my YouTube channel, my most viewed audience are from 24 to 36, and that is a very important stage in the life of a man or a woman. So since I have over 28,000, should be 29,000 subscribers by the end of today, by the special grace of God, I just have to give you tips, most especially my brothers, my relatives from Africa. You know how hard it is down there, but YouTube will give you an opportunity to earn in dollars. For someone like me that has made $10,000 in the last 9 months, it ain't enough because I'm based in Brazil, you know. So but the target for the year is $100,000, no cap. Speak it into manifestation and it's going to come to reality. When I started this YouTube journey, they laughed at my dreams. They said, go find yourself a job. But I was focused. I knew what I was doing. Like I always say, I'm responsible for what I say, while you're responsible for what you understand. And there comes a time in a man's life whereby a nigga gotta do what a nigga gotta do. There's so much upstairs that I won't have enough time to share. But I will do my best just to give an impact back to the community that made me who I am today. I have not gotten to the stage whereby I want to. I'm still growing. I'm still learning. For example, my channel was created for educational content. But for 2 years, I stopped creating educational content because I became a father. kids need money now. So, like we always say, the blessings of teachers are in heaven. So we need cash out now. And the fastest way to cash out now is social media. If you don't move with technology, technology will move without you.